Welcome to the course overview. This online course will follow the Canvas College of Public Health template. You can find your course and everything you need to know under the home page, and you can follow the links either on the left side of the screen under the navigation or going through each individual page or link within Canvas. For example, if you wanted to go to the syllabus page, you can click on syllabus from the left side navigation screen and it will take you to the syllabus page. If you have questions about assignments, modules, or any other functionality within this online course, you may always perform a chat within Canvas, or you may send an email through the inbox functionality within Canvas. Thank you.